Hola y bienvenidos a Mar de Jade. Hello and welcome to Mar de Jade, one of, and really I have to say, the most beautiful and intentional and sacred retreat centers that I have ever had the pleasure and privilege to practice at. Mar de Jade is located on the Pacific coast of Mexico, just a couple of hours north of Puerto Vallarta, and it has for several decades now been hosting yoga, meditation, and communal activities and practices to help to support and facilitate the well-being of all beings. My name is Margi Clifford, and I'm so honored to become a part of this process and to help support this practice. I'll be facilitating a seaside sabbatical this fall, November 25th through December 2nd, 2023, for all of you who are compelled and delighted by your capacity to help to support and take care of others. So we know that this privilege and this position of caretaker, caregiver, whether it be for vulnerable young people, for elders, for coworkers, for colleagues, for community, comes with a cost. And here we effort to make sure that the cost isn't our own well-being. So these retreats that we take to step back, to turn inward, and to make sure that we are also cared for and loved in the way that we offer care and love is what we're doing here and what we do on all of our Yoga for Mental Health retreats. So I do hope that you will take this time, invest this time in taking care of yourself. Let the sun and the delicious food and the amazing intention around this place support you, support your practice, help to clear the way forward. Namaste.